Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to file your KRA salaried returns without a P9 form. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that you do, log into your account, then click returns, then scroll down to ITR for employment income only, so you click that one, and then enter the return period from and return period to. So this one is 2024, we are filing for last year. Then here you click yes. Do you have employment income? Click yes, then click next. Then at this point you go to section F, not F, sorry, M. Then you click PIN of employer, you select that one, it is just there. The name of your employer will appear here, and then you go straight to section T. Then under defined pension contribution, enter the amount. So you'll, depending on what you contribute, just calculate and enter the amount. $34,12.09. Then we have the affordable housing levy. If you contribute that one, enter the amount for 12 months. So you just multiply. This one is 12.7.22, like that. So these are the only areas, the ones that are not shaded, the white areas. These are the only areas you can modify this and that. Also this one, the relief, but it is always 28,800. Then you scroll down, you can see here we have 00, meaning it is correct. You can now submit. Always ensure that this area balances. If it doesn't balance, you'll have to either pay KRA. If it is negative, you're the one who will pay KRA. If it is positive, if it doesn't have any sign, meaning it is positive, and you are the one who will pay KRA. But if it is negative, it means KRA are the ones who will pay you. But it is always good that you balance your this one under tax due, stock refund due. This area balance, ensure you get 00, then click submit. You are done. Here is your receipt. You can download it. It is here. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.